Although they are very small in stature, frogs play a large and vital role in the biodiversity of our environment, yet they are currently among the most endangered animals on the planet. Nearly 1/3 of the world's amphibians are threatened with extinction or are already extinct. There is a global extinction crisis for frogs due to habitat devastation, climate change, UV radiation, and a disease triggered by exposure to the citrid fungus. Frogs are an indicator species, meaning they are easily sampled, sensitive to stresses on the system, and respond to stress in a predictable manner. As frogs have moist, permeable skins, they are easily negatively affected by water, toxins, and dissolved gases. This sensitivity enables scientists to detect problems in the environment by studying the health of frogs. When frogs become sick, deformed, or species start to disappear, it is an indication things are seriously wrong in the environment. Frogs play a very important role in biodiversity as they are an important link in ecosystem food webs. Frog and their larvae are a vital part of many important predators' diets, and when frogs disappear from a habitat, it has been proven to increase insect populations, which in turn has a negative impact on the environment. Therefore, if the population numbers of amphibians becomes unbalanced, it has a severe impact on the population numbers of a large range of other animal species. There are 4 main interrelated causes of amphibian population decline: habitat, climate change, UV radiation, and fungal infection. While frogs can survive in wetlands, streams, rivers, and terrestrial habitats, they depend on being able to move between these environments. These habitats can become disrupted by a number of factors, including urbanisation, livestock grazing, and when links between habitat patches are destroyed. When frogs experience changes in their environment, it adversely affects the ecosystems their lives depend on. Frogs are extremely sensitive to their environment, and as such, climate change and UV radiation severely impacts on the survival rate of the species. The biological traits of frogs makes them sensitive to temperature changes because their breeding cycles are linked to temperature and fluctuations in rainfall. Warmer temperatures have a negative impact on frogs, and high temperatures have been proven to be the cause of spreading the fungal disease called the citrid fungus. According to the Global Invasive Species Database, this fungal infection, which severely damages frogs' skins and bodies, is responsible for declines in amphibian populations worldwide. What can we do to help the frogs? Scientists are currently struggling to understand exactly why frogs are dying, but according to Hassan, there are a large number of ways individuals can be a part of the immediate solution to save or protect amphibians. Hassan suggests individuals educate themselves on the plight of frogs, protect the frog's environment by becoming conscious of rubbish, not introducing non-native plants and animals, and by supporting conservation efforts. Scientists have also been working to find a cure for the citrid fungus. However, whilst the antifungal medicines have shown to be successful in captivity, it has been noted there is currently no feasible way to introduce this medicine in the wild. Scientists must work to preserve amphibians, not only due to their importance as an indicator species, but also because of the role they play in maintaining a balanced ecosystem. It is of equal importance the plight of amphibians is brought to the general public's attention, so they too can begin to make steps to support conservation efforts.